Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to embark on a journey that blurs the line between cutting-edge astrophysics and the deepest wisdom of our ancient texts. We are going to explore how the invisible force of gravity might be the scientific engine behind the concept of Maya, and how this cosmic illusion could completely reshape the way we understand the epic of the Ramayana. Let's dive in. Look around you. The height of the mountains, the shape of the trees, the fact that you walk on two legs, and even the spherical shape of the earth itself, they are all dictated by one invisible architect, gravity. Here on Earth, gravity pulls matter uniformly toward its center. Over billions of years, it smoothed our planet into a sphere. It dictates our bone density, our muscle mass, and the way plant roots grow downward. It is the invisible sculptor of our reality. We assume this is just how the entire universe works. But what if it isn't? What if this exact same force is actually trapping us in a massive cosmic illusion? Modern science relies on the assumption that the laws of physics are exactly the same everywhere in the universe. But let's break that rule for a moment. What if other solar systems have entirely different types of gravitational forces? If gravity in another galaxy didn't pull equally in all directions, planets wouldn't form as neat little spheres. You might have jagged, chaotic worlds, or planets moving in unpredictable figure-8 orbits. So why do we only see perfect spheres and spirals when we look through our telescopes? This is where physics meets the ancient concept of Maya. We know from science that massive objects bend light, a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. Now, imagine Earth's gravity acting as an extreme, localized optical filter. The light from a bizarre, radically different alien solar system travels across the universe, but the moment it enters our gravitational field, it bends, shifts, and warps. By the time that light hits our eyes, it has been reshaped to look perfectly normal to us. For thousands of years, our ancient sages have described the world we perceive as Maya, an illusion, a veil that masks the infinite, incomprehensible, absolute reality. This gravitational filter provides a fascinating physical mechanism for that illusion. We are trapped in a perceptual bubble where our local physics forces the chaotic diversity of the cosmos into shapes our minds can digest. Now let's take this thought experiment one step further into the realm of theoretical astrophysics and a concept called cosmic topology. What if the universe is folded or looped? If gravity is acting as a funhouse mirror, could the things we see in the night sky be mere reflections? Take the Andromeda galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, sitting 2.5 million light-years away. Because light takes time to travel, when you look at Andromeda, you are looking 2.5 million years into the past. But in a looped universe, light from our own Milky Way could travel outward, follow the curve of the cosmos, and hit Earth from the opposite direction. In this scenario, Andromeda wouldn't be a separate galaxy at all. It would be a ghost, an afterimage of our very own Milky Way, perfectly preserving our ancient past. This brings us to a mind-bending, logical reinterpretation of one of our greatest epics, the Ramayana. We know Ravana was a master of the lokas, or planetary realms, and possessed immense technological and astronomical knowledge. What if Ravana's Lanka wasn't just an island on Earth, but a representation of this very cosmic phenomenon? If we map Lanka to the Andromeda galaxy, the story takes on an incredible cosmic scale. Ravana operating from Andromeda would literally mean he was existing in the deep past, separated from Ayodhya, not just by an ocean of water, but by an ocean of space and time. Light-speed delay means that looking at his empire is looking at ancient history. While the Valmiki Ramayana grounds Lanka physically on Earth, thinking of it as a distant, incredibly advanced cosmic afterimage perfectly captures the essence of what Lanka represented. It was alien, untouchable, technologically superior, and operating on a completely different timeline of reality. When we look at the cosmos and realize that distinct galaxies might just be reflections of ourselves, that the observer and the observed are the exact same thing, we are mathematically proving the core of Advaita Vedanta. The ultimate reality is singular. Everything else is just light, gravity, and Maya. Thank you for watching. If this cosmic perspective on our ancient Dharma shifted your reality, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep questioning the universe.